Hi, I'm Byron Wendling. I'm the Technology Manager for User Interfaces here at Crestron Electronics. I wanted to take a few minutes today to walk you through an unboxing of a new Crestron product that everybody's excited about, our new TSR-310 touchscreen remote. So let's dive in. So one thing we wanted to highlight right from the very beginning on the packaging is that while this is one of our most technologically advanced products that probably we've ever created, the important thing is that we've combined precision engineering and cutting-edge manufacturing processes to take all the amazing things that make up this remote and deliver them to the customer in a very clean and intuitive package that fits nicely in the hand and makes it a remote experience that they want to have again and again. So if we open up the box and take a look at the real thing, right here we have the TSR-310 itself. So a couple things to highlight on the TSR-310. First off, we have a very vivid 3-inch touchscreen up at the top here with a very nice resolution, so everything's very crisp and clean, delivers a great UI experience. And then some nice things about the keypad. One, you can see that we've added these very nice finding features on the keypad for areas like the directional pad, the volume and the channel up and down arrows and the pause button, so that by feel alone you can really navigate your way around the remote very easily. But even in a dark room, what we also have is a nice feature where backlighting on the keypad itself will automatically illuminate. So as soon as you pick up the remote in a dark room, the backlighting on the keypad will illuminate so you can easily find any keys that you need right away. The other cool thing on the keypad you'll see up top here is an integrated voice control button. So what this allows the end user to do is basically at the press of a button and using their voice only, they can control things like lights, shades, or other devices very easily, very intuitively with their voice. So the TSR-310 is powered with a long life lithium ion battery. So what that means to an end user, they can take the remote, they can use it for several days without having to charge it up, which is nice. But when you do have to charge it up, of course what we include is a nice charging dock. So what we have here is a very compact charging dock, though it's small, it's very nicely weighted so that when you put it on the table, it's got a lot of great weight to keep it stable. And then you just drop the remote in like so. And this charges the remote, as well as the nice sort of standing orientation makes it very easy to grab the remote at a second's notice when you need to use it. The other things in the box are everybody's favorite, the Do Guide, which gives you all the instructions on how you set up the TSR-310. And of course, for the docking station, we have an included power supply as well that will connect it to the wall. So we'd love to hear about your experiences with the TSR-310. Please feel free to contact us at casestudysshowcase@crestron.com and let us know how you like the remote. Thank you.